Hi Carlos, it was wonderful to talk to you earlier. I appreciate the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. I did quite a bit of digging on Jay-Z Landscape and would love to share the information with you. All right, so now when your future customers are searching for your services, in example, Landscape Auburn, the first thing that pulls up here is what's called the Google Map Pack. Now, ideally, we want businesses to be in the top 3 spots because this is all that's listed on the instant results when a person is searching. I did find your listing. It's right here. It is ranking in the 31st spot, so definitely want to bring that up. What I would suggest to do is add in Google reviews. That would help tremendously to boost your current ranking. Also, citations. What a citation is anytime that your business name, address, and telephone number are listed on the internet, Google gives you a citation for that. Um, Definitely want to beat out your competitors by about 50 of those citations so that you can maintain your rank. The next part of this after the Google Map Pack is what's called the organic listings. Now, I went ahead and I searched for Jay-Z Landscape in the organic listings, and to be honest, I went about 3 pages back and stopped because the fact of the matter is this. Anyone searching for product and service on Google is going to 9 times out of 10 go with someone on the first page and one of these higher ranking sites. Now, I went ahead and I pulled your number one competitor, who is Olympic Landscape. They are right here. And then we're going to just dig a little deeper into your site, their site, and what's going on here. All right, so here is your site, and images are absolutely wonderful. Your focal header is great. Now, a couple of things. Services. This is super important to have. I absolutely love the layout, how you've got this done here, but this needs to be moved up to right underneath your focal header, right here. Google looks for this in matching you with the person that's searching. So I would move that up. I would, let's see here. And then, you know what, just aside from that, the site is very nice. It's a great starting off point. The other probably most major component to all of this is that what Google does on a daily basis, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, is they crawl the internet. They are looking at every single website, and what they're looking for is command content. So that's all of the information included on your main page. What they're looking for is 1,500 words of command content. What they want inside that 1,500 words of command content is they want organic keywords sprinkled throughout. I did run the numbers on your site, and it looks like you guys are about 448 words. So bringing that up to the 1,500 keyword or 1,500 words of content with the keywords sprinkled throughout would help tremendously. Moving those services up, like I had said, would also very much help. Now, next thing here, we've got Olympic Landscape. This is your number one competitor. They've got a ton of information, nice site, looks good. The issue that they're running into with their site is they have too much. See how it's heavily congested with just an overabundance of information. They're sitting at like the 2522 is where they're sitting at for that command content. And more is not always better, because what Google does is they look at the site as being spammy when it's got too much going on. So what I then did was I took my web crawler program and I included your site and I included their site so we can really get an idea of what's going on here. All right, now the 2 most important factors I want to point out to you is this UR and DR. UR is your trust factor, DR is your power factor. How these 2 get determined is by your backlinks. What a backlink is it's a shout out from another website. A website has a link from their site to yours, and what that does is it gives you credibility and it gives you exposure. Now, we don't have any organic keywords going on in your content, and so with all of these factors combined, it's not unfortunately bringing you any organic traffic every month. Let's take a look at the comparison. All right, so we've got Olympic Landscape here. This again is their trust rating. This is their power rating. Now they've got 1,600 backlinks going on, but what this tells me is that the backlinks that they're using are not very powerful because this number should be higher. All backlinks are not created equal. Quality is far more important than quantity in this realm for sure. They're running about 1,200 organic keywords throughout their site and throughout their content, which is really important. So adding the organic keywords, powerful backlinks to your site, and then making the aesthetic changes that I had told you about would help you tremendously. Now, with everything combined that they've got going on their site, they're getting about 1,100 folks every single month that are searching for their services, clicking on their site, retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever, what have you. This is a ton of traffic to be essentially not capitalizing on. So at the end of the day, this site is beatable. Their rank can be taken out. And obviously that would be the number one goal for Jay-Z, is to be in their place. So if this is something that you're interested in moving forward and finding more about and getting you up the ranks of the ladder here with a goal in mind, of course, to take over this traffic here, I would certainly love to sit down and see what that looks like. If not, if it's not something that you're trying to pursue, no harm, no foul. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video and learn more. I would definitely highly appreciate any feedback that you had, though. Thanks, Carlos.